Sparky Sparks here. Oh my gosh, I have new hair. This is Gia Mono by Envy in lighter red. You have to see this color. Oh my goodness. It is gorgeous. This is just out of the box. It is super, super fun. Lots of little light curls here. Love how it's off of my collar. It has a full parting area here, so we can part it on either side. I usually wear my hair parted on this side, like this, but this came out of the box parted over here, and I'm loving that. So before we get into this wig, I just want to remind you, welcome to my channel, and please, please, please subscribe. This is how you follow me. So there's a button down here that says subscribe, and you're going to push that button, and then you and I will be connected and you will be following me. This is not a subscription where you're going to get hounded for renewals and whatnot like that. Subscribe in this world means that you're following me. So please, please, please follow me. Subscribe here. Now, if you need information about this wig or other wigs that I wear or style, that is in the description area, and you can see the links to my website, An Affair with Hair, or links to this particular wig. I've linked that in here too, so it'll be really easy. You click on that link and it'll take you right to this wig. Or at least we hope it does. That's the whole plan. Anyway, so again, this is by Envy. Love the people at Envy, love their product, love their wigs. Let's look at this hairline really closely. Now I'm right up in the camera, and I've got a little bruise here, so just ignore that. But here is the hairline, and just stunning. Let's look at the whole hair again, all the way around. If you're looking for a red or a nice, short, fun hairstyle like this, I would really recommend this. You can see it's just got such character, right? We could mess it a little bit, see how I can pin it up with some clips, give it that updo look. That's kind of really pretty, isn't it? So it's cold today. It's snowing outside. I know it's March. How can we believe this? It's snowing in March. Crazy. Anyway, so I'm looking out on snow. This is a big window, so you can see some daylight on me. Let's take a look on the inside of the cap. So again, I said this has a big parting area. So let me show you that. So right here on the inside, you can part it all the way from here to here. So here to here, and you can pick wherever you want to part it. It's a open wefted cap, so it's stretchy. Here's the tag on the back that I talk about from time to time. We want to make sure that it doesn't poke back through the wefts or hang down below your hairline here. And then we've got adjuster tabs or adjuster clip things here. You just pull on them to adjust. Now, I have an average head, so the wigs usually come just about perfect for me to wear. I'm wearing a combination wig cap, wig grip, and how this works is it collects all my hair underneath, and then this velvet has friction going this way, smooth this way, but that friction, because it's going this way, keeps the wig from moving around. Now, the rule of thumb is we want our hairline to be about 4 fingers from our brow bone. That is what most people have. Some people have 2 heads, I call it, where there's 2 fingers here. Or I call my hairline an 8 head. I think I can fit 8 fingers between my brow bone and the top of where my hairline is. It's always been that way. I've been teased when I was a little kid because I had such a big head, and I've always worn bangs because of that insecurity. Now with wigs, I get to adjust where my hairline is, which I love about wigs. So let's get back into this. Once it comes out of the box, and this just came out of the box, we're gonna give it a little shake just so that the fibers relax and open up. It's been in a box, it's shipped to you. So here we go. We're going to put our forehead in at where the lace is. Now, what I like to do is think about making the lace land on your brow line, not below it, not in your eyes, but right above your brow bone. So just try to see if you can hold it by the back and see if you can make the lace land right at your brow bone and pull it down in the back. Now, this is the adjusting part. This is where you need to be patient with yourself, I'm telling you. Because at first you're gonna put it on and say, Sparky, what? It doesn't look like this on you. You're right. This is how it looks when you first put it on. So I want you to take the ear tabs and you'll feel them on either side. See, I'm having a little struggle looking for them. And as I work it back, just ever so gently, I can move the hairline back. Now I'm looking for 4 fingers here, 3 or 4 fingers. And I like 4 fingers. If you're in doubt, take a selfie. Hold up the camera and take a picture of yourself. You'll see what other people and how other people see you. So that's a little thing I learned early on. Take a picture of yourself and you'll see how this looks on you. Oh, there's that pesky bruise. All right, so we've got the wig on. Now what? So now run your fingers through her and see how you can style her or just comb her, if you will. You've got to get that in there and just adjust the fibers. I like to wear one side behind my ear like this. Make sure that the tag is tucked up in the back. Let's look at the back. And you can see the back is just nice and flat. Now some of the hair, if you have a wig that's open wefted like this one is, we don't want to wear the hair up like this. We want to keep it down and just keep it just like this. So really pretty, stunning color. Even in this low light of the day, I think you can see some of those really pretty reds in there. This is called lighter red. And again, the style is Gia Mono. So just a really pretty style. I'd love to know your thoughts. I feel like I'm a redhead and I probably will be a redhead for most of the rest of the year because I'm just loving red hair. It's just stunning. So the snow is coming off the roof, so I'm kind of jumpy. But I'd love to know what you think. Thank you so much for being here, following my channel. Let's get to know each other better. Ask questions. I love to answer questions about wigs. I do private consultations with wig sisters or with people who just are getting into wigs. So if you have questions and want to reach out, please leave a comment. You can also go over to my website, join my newsletter, and you can reach out to me there more privately if you need to. So happy to answer questions. I've been doing this for about 3 years now. I wear wigs every day, and stay tuned on my channel here. I review wigs all the time, and we're looking for a great 2025. So thank you again for joining me. Make sure you subscribe so we can stay connected. Jump over there to my website and check that out. And let's take one more spin around with this. She's gorgeous. I just love her. Gia Mono in lighter red. And you can see there's a lot of movement. Very natural looking. Love to know your thoughts. Have a great day. Mwah. Cheers.